paano kung ikaw ay VA tapos binigyan ka ng task na kailangan mong mag-design ng website? Ano ka, executive assistant
hindi mo
ka.
expertise yun.
Pwede mo naman siya i-frame kay client na na this is not under your area of expertise.
Zone of view. Yung
but
sabi ko, it
hindi
goes
na zone of
outside.
genius mo, di ba?
Outside my zone of
Na
view. Oo.
meron kang, but virtual champions has someone.
One of the best things that you can do kapag you are encountered with tasks na you know yourself you are not confident with or hindi mo talaga siya ever pa nagawa, the best thing that you can do is number 1, to use ChatGPT. And number 2 is to provide solutions na parang, hindi ako expert dito, pero upon checking, I cannot give you the direct solution sa binigay mo sa akin task, pero I can help you find the solution for it. Kasi nga, I don't have the capability